Hello, it's Carl Beam again with Go Green Beam Energy Concepts, and sharing with you here online in videos 28 ways that you can greatly start to go green in your home by reducing your electric and heating bills. God knows we all need help in this trying times. We're presently experimenting. We're actually doing a lot of experiments, and one we're experimenting with coating our window screens with Heat Shield R20. Since it's a paint additive, it comes in a white powder. You can mix this in any color of paint, so you can readily mix in black paint, gray, white, or whatever you like for your screens and coat them. The first incoming results of this is very good, and they're certainly a lot cheaper than buying 10, 12, 15 solar screens, and looks like it's going to be just as good as solar screens. And we're not going to say better, because only time and test tells if the product's is better than. Number 22, exterior walls. We apply Heat Shield R20 paint additive in our exterior paint jobs on Hardie and House Wrap, on our Hardie jobs, which is a concrete siding. We also apply it on our foam, or before we put the foam insulation on our vinyl or aluminum siding jobs. Results are still being computed, but we do have specific results at this time, but we don't have any specific results at this time, but the first reports are good. And you can say 5, 10, 15% and on, depending on where these walls face the sun. Number 23 is roofs. We are roofing contractors, and we have tried rolling on or spraying on Heat Shield R20 on the decking before we put our felt on and do the roof jobs. It virtually has the same effect as spraying the underside of your attic, but it seems to be a little bit better application. Well, because of overspraying, etc., we've had to quit doing this, but you could indeed buy the Heat Shield R20 and pre-coat your felt before you put your roof on, and it's the same effect as blocking out 99% of the UV rays coming through your roof. The first results that we can see using this product, anywhere from 20 to 30% actual savings on your electric bill, and also somewhat lower on the heating bills, perhaps 10, 11, 13%. Also, we have in the past used Heat Shield R20 on carport awnings and metal roofs. It's an instant cooling effect, especially if you have a ranch room or something of this nature. Put it out there. It will greatly reduce the heat penetrated down through your metal roof, whether it's aluminum or steel. I want to talk a little bit about geophysical energy. Around the world, no matter where you're at, 2 feet down, the temperature stays relatively at 72 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a product that I was introduced to 20-something years old by Shacklet Corporation, called Basic H. There's another one called Simple Green. It makes water anywhere from 200 to 400 times wetter. This Basic H makes water 400 times wetter, breaking down the chemical composition of the different, I can't even think right now, the different composite sulfurs, acids, etc. It breaks it down and it makes it wetter, so that your water table, every time it rains, gets deeper and deeper. If you spray your lawn, or if you edge around your foundation. Several years ago, there was a train explosion out at Denver Harbor, and I and a friend of mine tried taking a 3-inch V hole and going around the foundation. We were trying to help a lot of these people that only had $300, $500, $600 to fix their foundations. And amazingly enough, it closed up little tiny hairlines, cracks around the house. Anytime you can enhance or make the water table around your home, you're going to keep that water level going. And we find this to be a very good thing. And what are the results? It's an unknown factor, but you can be sure of one thing, it really and truly helps. Number 25. This is something that's a small thing, but yet it may not be a small thing. This is a solar light that you stick out, and it's got a little battery unit in it. And during the daytime, the sun charges it up, and at night, it's a light. I'd like to suggest to you, as a small way, if your lights go out, you can have a lot of these solar lights lining up and down your flower beds, your driveway, and during a power outage, instead of using candles or a flashlight, you can use these, which are safe to give you light in your home during a power outage. That's number 25. Number 26 is something as old as man himself. That's plants. Plants give off moisture. Plants help humidify the air in your house and all. And a lot of people, plant lovers, will readily tell you, if you go into a place where there's a lot of plants, it's cooler and it can be warmer, and it just has a comfy feeling. What's the savings results of this? They're really unknown as far as I know, but they are some savings to that. That's number 26. Number 27 is shop your electric provider. Here in Texas, you can pay anywhere from 10.6, 10.7 to 14.5 cents a kilowatt hour. Shop your electric provider, and if you can get a lock-in for 6 months, especially if you get a lock-down for 12 months, it's going to help you save money in the short time anyway. So I say to you, number 27, shop your electric provider. Number 28 is something that we have initiated, and that's simply this. We spend 8 hours usually, or maybe 9 hours in our bedrooms. Get yourself a little AC window unit to put in your bedroom. You can take take a foam, etc., and cut off the half-inch under your door, and you can centralize when you sleep, just having your little AC heater unit in your room. A good little unit, like for 8,000 BTUs, will run you around $200. That's another way you can save money and conserve energy in your home. This concludes our 28 ways of saving energy. We have some more coming up, and we're going to be adding them by and by to your videos here on YouTube and at our website at Go Green Beam Energy Concepts. God bless you, and thank you for the opportunity to save these energy saving tips and products of you. God bless you again. Thank you very much.